so much you can't sleep anymore. So now it's trying to deal with the boredom. And hopefully you're getting bored enough that you can go back to sleep. So this is Sunday. This is the fifth day after my prostate removal operation. So it's coping with the boredom. Ugh. You really don't want to. You don't want to be on Facebook. You don't really want to be on YouTube. You just kind of want to just hang out, but it's very, very boring. You just kind of want to be left alone. I am getting stronger. My bowels are moving pretty regularly now. I'm reducing the amount of pain meds. Unfortunately, my allergies are kicking back in as usual, so I'm draining and I'm coughing. And of course, the coughing is really, really painful. So be prepared for that. Guess I'll try and get comfortable again and get a couple more Z's. Temperature outside is down in the 50s now, so we are now the 12th, 13th of September, somewhere in that. Lost track of time. And I have no idea how it would be for somebody who didn't have the adjustable bed. Tricia's sleeping downstairs. Unfortunately, we didn't get a bed with split mattress, so she could sleep horizontally, and I could be elevated. But that's going to be up to you and your spouse how you're going to handle that. Because when you're down, you're not going to be able to get up without somebody helping you. So the bed's been a blessing, but unfortunately not perfect. I'll try and get back to sleep here. All right, day 6. Everything might be going well. I've got a touch of diarrhea. My sinuses are draining, so I'm coughing. And I was I don't know if it's fatigue or just a lack of motivation, being stuck in the house. Unfortunately, all 3 of those now are freaking symptoms of COVID. So I haven't been out of the house for a week. So if I got it, it's because I got it prior to being out of the house, prior to surgery. But then again, 72 hours prior to that, I had the COVID check. So they said I didn't have it then. So I gotta say that it's just because of the recovery from the surgery. I'm getting a little more strength back in my stomach muscles, so I really don't need the bed lift assist to get out. But I don't know. It's just, oh, man, just something you gotta go through, huh?